5 seconds. Start. It is no surprise that the PTI PMLQ government in Punjab is on a collision course with the Shehbaz Sharif administration in Islamabad. Full stop. On Saturday, police raided the homes of two PMLN leaders from Lahore, Ataullah Tarad and Rana Mashood Khan, who have fled to Islamabad over the violence in the Provincial Assembly during April's vote for Chief Minister. Full stop. Interior Minister Rana Sanaullah too has been threatened with arrest if he enters Punjab for ordering a crackdown on PTI supporters trying to reach Islamabad for the May 25 Long March. Full stop. Paragraph. The Punjab government has made its intentions quite clear. It was do anything and everything in its power to undermine the PMLN in the province before the next elections. Full stop. Meanwhile, Hamza Shehbaz has left for London for an indefinite period. Full stop. However, it is also clear that the PTI has understood that it cannot compel the PMLN-led coalition to announce early elections that former Prime Minister Imran Khan had been demanding ever since his ouster. Full stop. Otherwise, the PTI would have asked Mr. Elahi to dissolve the Provincial Assembly to force the coalition's hand. Full stop. Hence, there was no mention of this demand in Mr. Khan's last public address in Lahore on the eve of Independence Day. Full stop. Paragraph. Yet it does not mean the PTI PMLQ alliance will not use its control in the country's political heartland to contain its rivals' clout in the Punjab, advance its agenda ahead of the elections and undermine the federal government to force its collapse. Full stop. No wonder several PTI and PMLQ leaders have warned that their government will not hesitate to arrest PMLN Supremo Nawaz Sharif if he decides to return home to lead his party into elections. Full stop. Sadly, what is happening today is not something new in Pakistan's turbulent political history. Full stop. We have been here before. Full stop. Paragraph. PMLN leader Nawaz Sharif owes his rise to his confrontationist politics. Full stop. He also had refused to accept the authority of then Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto in the late 1990s. Full stop. The two situations are not identical though, even if the government in Punjab and at the centre don't recognize each other as legitimate. Full stop. Paragraph. Unfortunately, the provincial government's hostility towards its opponents and its use of high-handed tactics against them will happen political polarization. Full stop. We may say tensions between the two sides intensify beyond the war of words in the coming weeks and months. Full stop. Paragraph. Rana Sanaullah has already warned of imposing governor's rule in Punjab in case he is stopped from entering the province. Full stop. This might have been just political rhetoric. Full stop. Still, it does not indicate that the country may be headed towards an ugly place if such threats come to pass. Full stop. The question is, can people and the country fragile? Full stop.